the house of Mr. Heisenberg. I'm nailing this. Wow, that's why I love trading, guys. Let's go, just leave it. Hello there everyone, and welcome to the episode number 4 of our crypto expedition. And this day number 6 begins with beautiful news. Our Pepe trade. There it is. $2,200. Let's just do it all together. Market, confirm, and this is it. How to double a trading deposit overnight. Yes! 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 We can now relax for one day. I was literally losing hope in this expedition, but there was no volatility. We've taken our trade on Pepe right here, and then we closed it just now right here with $2,000 in profit, and now we went up to $4,200 after all expenses, after all oil changes. We have almost doubled the money. I have to be just absolutely honest, guys. I really hope that this trading performance will continue, because I can't stay at these hotels anymore. It's not about what it looks like. It's about the smell, the service, and this hotel of all things actually has fleas. Look, it's jumping. Look, it's gone. It's in the carpets. The fleas are in the carpet. Because as I walk, I always collect them with my legs. And yes, I'll do like this t-shirt. A new t-shirt that they got me because I had only one t-shirt and this was the cheapest one. Jesus Christ. We need to trade better. Health-wise, it's just unsanitary. Good morning.
Good morning.
I have a question for you. Do you have any fleas in your room?
No.
No fleas?
No fleas.
Well, the next thing? Because my room is infested with fleas. Well, I mean, what the fuck? Of course, I mean, how much are we paying for this shit all? But on a good note, we've made $2,100 on a Pepe trade.
During the night.
Overnight! This means we can stay at better hotels until if we lose the money. And we've woken up in the middle of God knows where near Dallas in Texas. We need to be going to Albuquerque, New Mexico. And some of you might know what was going on in Albuquerque in terms of the Breaking Bad. So this is what we want to see and show you guys. And that's about 700 miles. So first we need to eat something, and then we need to do something in Texas. Something very special. This episode is going to be really interesting, so make sure to watch it from the beginning and until the end. Those of you who were not watching previous episodes, then you gotta go and watch them. This is Starlink, our internet. Since it is working right now, getting some gas as well. Since we made some money, we might as well spend it. You know what we're gonna spend it on? That's right. We're the Cowboys now. It was only $19.99. I had to get it while we were in Texas. I had to. It goes real nicely together with my shirt. Hopefully I'm not gonna get shot in Texas for this. What makes me happy is that today we actually made more money from trading than from the sales of my famous trading education. Yesterday we onboarded like 5 people, and today we onboarded only 3 people so far. This is an incredible piece of education, the only one that you really need, and it comes from a person who is showing you how it's done and what the possibilities of trading really are. I've been trading for 9 years and I've done this with serious big money. This is just a challenge with small money, but guys, if you want to learn and do the same thing actually down the road as well, then link down the description to a 50% discount that is available only for the duration of our crypto expedition, which in my opinion is just an incredible opportunity. And here is an example of the trading result of one of my students. This is cumulative profit and loss. Look how accurate it is, how sustainable it is, and with proper risk and money management. This is over hundreds of trades. So if you want to become part of it, link down in the description of this video. Been on the road for about
30 minutes on the way to our next destination, which is gonna be a really cool one. Besides this, we need to enter into a trade because one good trade, one good nice profit of $2,000, but I had to take out $500 for expenses and etc. because we owed $100 or something to Ilya, and now we're down to 3,681, and I have a very good idea for a trade. If we would have stayed in Bitcoin, like in the previous episode, in previous days, it's stagnant. So we need volatility, we need Pepe or sheep. So I'm just going long again on Pepe, just bigger this time. We're going in 50x and 50 million Pepe. So this is about $68,000, and so far minus 130 bucks. But I'm thinking maybe I should even add to this trade. And yes, I've added to it. Beautiful. So now it's an $80,000 long trade. If this plays out, this could be really good. Well, actually, I even hit it 4 times. I don't know where's one of the bullets, but it's okay though. The accuracy is all the right. Let's see what he can do. Are you a good shooter? Let's see. Look at this. So, you hit him in the belly. Now it's time for us to go for 10 millimeter, 15 rounds. This is real powerful, but we're gonna go really far away to show you how powerful my aiming capabilities actually are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 15. So I have a 30% hit rate. GTA is a lot easier. So the next item for the day is actually a pump action shotgun with some birdshot. And this is going to be really painful for our shoulders, but this also should be mega fun. And we have some profits right over there, $750. And we're spending all of it today because this is the point of this expedition. Because we want to have fun, enjoy ourselves, and make money. P90, a bit more serious. Look guys, $1,000 profit. Let's take it together. $1,100. Close by. Market, confirm. And $1,000 profit yet again. And then let's celebrate Texas style, another profit. 300 blackout. Full auto. Woo! Yeah! Okay, Ilya, you can do it. Come on. I can take you to battle for sure. Battle of the Battle Rouge. You probably have some ancestry from there, no? Guys, I'm introducing for your attention a 50 cal. It fits perfectly my t-shirt today. Happy hippie. How heavy was it, you said?
About 50 pounds.
50 pounds, that's like 25 kilos of metal. 50 caliber, you can stop a car with this. Just the engine block is gonna explode. No. What an epic experience! Did you enjoy it?
Oh, yes.
But I think my shoulder from the shotgun is gonna be absolutely red or blue, I don't know, it was really painful. Anyway, we've made $1,100 while shooting and we've spent 500 of it. 525 to be exactly precise. But this is the point. This is the proof, guys, that you can travel, live the life, escape the 9 to 5, do whatever you want, and actually fuel this lifestyle with trading. Yes, I finally got the taste of the market. I got the taste of the money. I'm hungry. I don't know about you, but I'm freaking hungry. So let's go get some nice, good Texas steak. Well, guess what? After everything, we pulled out. We're safe for now. Right now in our derivatives account, $4,670. We still have to subtract $525 that we just spent on the shooting range. As you can see, we're actually trading over on Bybit. With our exclusive link down in the description of this video, you can claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses with Bybit, and also up to $8,000 initial deposit bonuses with BitGet. Really cool exchanges. I personally trade there. Links down in the description of this video. Oh, those ribs were amazing. This profit we've taken is also amazing. And our overall account is freaking amazing. Look at it, 4,670. When the trading is not working, you have to minimize your losses to the best of your ability. But when it's working, you gotta maximize your profits. And usually people do the opposite. In general, in the last 24 hours, we've actually managed to double our trading deposit. More than double, which is just insane. It is difficult, yes. But damn, it's amazing. It's so much better than sitting there at 9 to 5 job and doing this job for somebody else's enrichment. When you're doing this for yourself, all you need is a computer, internet. When it comes to trading today, I don't know, there's gonna be a really good setup. Maybe again in Pepe. The volatility in Pepe has gone down. We've taken a really beautiful trade. Bitcoin is like not doing, oh, well, the internet is gone. The Starlink doesn't like this kind of stuff. So anyway, Bitcoin is also side movish, and it's a good thing that we actually moved on to trading altcoins, because really nothing is happening. Maybe I'll trade more today. Maybe I'll just accept this incredible profit and just enjoy. I don't know. We'll see. And we are actually entering into the area that is a lot less green now. There are a lot of railways. We're gonna be coming up on New Mexico very soon. As you can see, we actually just crossed over from the green area into the area of the desert, and then Arizona and Grand Canyon is gonna be here, and then Las Vegas. And we're on the way to Albuquerque. And like, it's even. And the internet with the Starlink is ever so slightly better. Look at it. Like absolutely flat countryside, it's crazy. When it comes to the market, actually there was an interesting trade setup. Bitcoin isn't moving, but Pepe, I was thinking, we've gotten out of our long trade just perfectly, just spot on as always. Mr. Spot on duty as always for you guys. I was thinking we've taken our profit on Pepe somewhere in this vicinity. I was thinking to short it just in this vicinity, but I didn't see the order book and all the details from the inside, and I was admiring the views and being happy with $3,000, over $3,000 in profits. But yeah, so we could have entered, but we didn't, so whatever. Chilling. But while we're chilling, I mean, all these small towns of Texas, incredible. We are halfway through the United States. We certainly still need to go up somewhere right here, so we're still very long away from our destination. Like, we've been only through like 30% of our journey, but through the United States itself about halfway, which is really cool. Let's do a 5-y. Yay! But we missed one good trade though, while we were admiring the views and stuff, but it's beautiful. It's great. I mean, the world is so wide and so incredible that I don't miss it. We'll get back to trading tomorrow with a fresh head while being in Albuquerque and the neighbors of Walter White. This is beautiful. Absolutely incredible. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're always notified when we make a new upload. When we see these types of houses somewhere out in the middle of nowhere in Texas, you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of this, the Courage the Cowardly Dog. If you're from the 90s, the kid of the 90s like I am and he is, then you will know exactly this cartoon. And it's like, it's so wild, it's so vast, it's so huge, it's so eerie. If you ever thought of driving coast to coast in the United States, if it's on your bucket list, drop everything you're doing. Because as you can see, you can actually do it with trading, even if you don't have much money. And do it. So we're getting some gas. I'm gonna be driving this way because I'm eager to drive, but since we're sitting for like 10 hours a day, it's not good for your heart, so you gotta do some workout in the middle of the Texas desert, in the middle of nowhere. Then make sure your butt is working and then your calves as well. Like this. I don't know which muscle it is, but it feels good. I'm ready to go. And we're going into the storm again. I don't know if this is the area of tornadoes or not, but it's always like, look how beautiful it is. Guys, we are officially in New Mexico on our way to Albuquerque. It's already 10 p.m. and we still have 3 hours left to drive. We didn't trade anymore. I just want to take this time to enjoy it because this is the highway number 40, whatever. But parallel to this, there is highway Route 66, which is very famous. It's a pleasure to be able to drive at least along it because this is the new interstate and only parts of the Route 66 are left. We just have to make it another 200 miles. Let's do it. Guys, quick car update. So we had to stop and get some oil because it's actually consuming like 1 liter of oil per 5,000 kilometers, which is not too bad. So the car is performing exceptionally well. And while I had the opportunity to buy something for myself, so the oil goes to you. And I finally got myself a pair of very useful sunglasses, especially right now. I even gave my sunglasses to my wife, so I didn't have any sunglasses. And it's sunny, you know, when you're driving in Texas and then California, etc. This, my friend, is a whirlpool creator thing to put oil into your engine. I don't know what the fuck I actually bought. I hope it's the correct one. I don't know. A small correction. As this mechanic is telling me currently that we cannot actually add the oil to the engine because we need to actually kill the engine, but we need internet because we are uploading the vlog. This was all for nothing, but I guess you guys enjoyed the view. I mean, I look spectacular. I'm a superstar right now. I'm going directly to Hollywood. Beverly Hills is where I should be right now with this kind of a look, huh? Believe it or not, it is 1 a.m. We just made it to Albuquerque. We've made it. High five. Yay! There are so many advertisements of different lawyers. But I'm looking for the real one. Can't see it. You know what the real one reads? You know what the one that I'm talking about? It reads, Better Call Saul. I can't believe it. We've made it to our hotel. I don't know, it doesn't really look like a hotel. Well, this is us for tonight. Yeah, right. No sleep yet. Crunch time of the numbers. We've taken out $500 out of our deposit for expenses, We've spent $12 on a t-shirt, $25 on breakfast, $68 on gas, $20 on a very important cowboy hat, $525 on the shooting range for the emotions, lunch $52, oil $12, and the amazing sunglasses $20. So in total we've spent like $700 something, and even after paying back Ilya today $110, we again owe him $344. So despite taking out $500, we are still down $344. So a minus of $344 in our pocket. We should slow down our spending, I know. But on a good note, our today's trading performance is plus $3,105. And when it comes to the distance traveled, today 1,200 kilometers or 743 miles. And the total distance traveled is 4,500 kilometers and 2,780 miles. Good night.
Well, good morning. I have to be honest with you. We had to take one day off. And yesterday we were not filming anything at all, like not one bit, not one video, not one trade. I didn't even open my computer. I worked a bit with my students on the phone and so that I don't disappear because I take my mentorship program very seriously. But besides this, we just ate, we slept, we didn't do anything. Because to be honest, this journey, I mean, it looks fun and everything, but I had a good life for many years. Because I've made my first million in trading many years ago. I mean, I don't come from much, but you get used to good stuff very fast. I mean, sitting in a car for 10 hours a day and trading and like so many things going through your head and this and that. Damn, it's hard. Long story short, we've taken a break and now we're gonna be getting back into it because I slept for like 12 hours today. Let's get up. Let's just do a quick workout. Let's do a meditation. Meditation is very important to keep your mind straight.
My energy's coming back! Bitcoin! Shiba! I'm coming to hunt you! There is the machine! Hello!
Hello, are you ready?
I am ready, sir!
Let's go!
Are you ready for breakfast?
Oh, yes.
Let's do it.
Holy shit, I should start watching my step, you know? Anyway, yesterday we discovered this place. If you're ever in Albuquerque, New Mexico, you gotta check it out. It's freaking amazing. And for me, it's going to be brisket moist.
You want the extra lean or the moist?
The what?
Extra lean or the moist?
Moist.
You want the half pound?
Yes, please. Yes.
Half moist?
And a new potato, medium, with the butter. Can I also have of that same sausage if you got the jalapeno? Yeah. In the basket, brisket in the biscuit. Oh, what a meat lover's breakfast. Sir, please take us to the residence of the Walter White. This is crazy. Guys, you ready to see? Don't go fast, don't go fast. The house of Mr. Heisenberg. You ready? 3, 2, 1, bam! There it is. Let's park here in the shade. Wow, this is the house, guys. This is where Mr. Heisenberg from Breaking Bad was living at. This is crazy. And I mean, the lady that lives here, she's absolutely crazy about, you know, tourists and pictures and stuff. As you can see, this is literally the only house with a metal fence in front of it and some cones and stuff, and also a sign which says please do not disturb, because I can imagine how many idiots like us coming by and trying to take pictures of it. It looks a bit different. It's been 15 years. But this is it. This is the one. I was a fan. I'm still a fan of Breaking Bad. One of my favorite movies and series of all time. Do you like Breaking Bad?
Oh, yes.
Okay, now it's time for today to set up our trading desk and start trading. Here is our deposit, 4,670. Right in front of the Walter White's house. We're trading bad. You know, no, Breaking Bad, trading bad. No, that's not a good name. We're still trading good, actually. We need to find an entry point.
Let's make some money.
Guys, here is this lady. It always screams at... Oh no, she's filming us. Look, she's filming us. Jeez. When it comes to our trade though, I cannot find anything. I mean, because everything is kind of stagnant in the middle. Even though there is a little bit of volatility in Pepe, but I don't really want to be trading only Pepe. Let's just go and take a look at the car wash. Ah, the famous car wash. The lady wasn't very happy about
She's
it.
filming us.
filming-
I can understand her. Okay, she's upset of every day someone comes and like takes photo, but I mean, we even didn't get out of the car. Don't live
Yeah,
here.
I mean, you can always, like, if you don't like it, sell the house. She probably could sell it for good money to some fan of Breaking Bad, you know, but whatever. And we are coming up on it. Been only a few minutes away. Well, Walter White's business was not that far away from his home. Look at it. Guys, this is the car wash of Mr. Walter White. Wow. Wow, look at it. This is incredible. This is it. And here is this big area. Yeah, wow. This, like, I mean, 15 years later, not much actually has changed. You remember we're walking around right here and looking at this car wash to purchase. And I think I found a really nice entry into Shib. Actually, I've placed an order right here for a long trade. There it is. Okay, fine. We just entered. I'm gonna be adding to it right here to the long trade. And it's gonna be 10K, so it's gonna be a $100,000 long trade over on Shib. For right now, we have minus $28. And let's just move it up so that we actually add to it, because we're at a very crucial turning point in the price right now. Yes, we're very close to our order. Man, feel it. I have very tight risk and money management for this one. If it works out, it works out. It doesn't, we're gonna leave it very quickly. And yes, we just got filled. $57,000 long. That's fine. On Shib, we already have a profit. $59.48. So let's hope that we're gonna see this very nice quick bounce to the upside so we can take our profit and be happy. And we have about $400 in profit. It's pumping, market, confirm, and we are out of it. Very nice, very beautiful. And we just have taken $362, which is almost like a 7% profit in what, 5 minutes?
Less 3-4 minutes.
3-4 minutes. We've made $362, which is gonna be enough to cover the expenses for today. And this is just one trade. I started trading like a half an hour ago. Damn, it feels amazing. And guys, if you want to see all of my personal trades and the trades of my team, oh, there is somebody's getting screwed. Go down in the description of this video and click the button to my Discord. It says VIP Crypto Signals. This is our VIP community that is free. That's where we post all of my trades and the trades of my team. And we're doing exceptionally well. I mean, not every trade is a profit, obviously. It's not possible. But we're doing really well. There are 40,000 traders in there, and it's free. This is all posted by our community members. If you're not part of this community, again, link down in the description of this video, join it. As for our travel plan, our job is to drive to Page, Arizona, which is actually going to be on the way to Vegas. So for now, let's get out of Albuquerque and go to Arizona, which is going to be a beautiful journey. Look at the views. Even the architecture is so strange, so Albuquerque. What a beautiful entry and exit. Look, this is when you know what you're doing and when you know how to trade properly, then you know how to take real quick trades. But wow, I mean, it's dropping like a stone. Wow, it's dropping like a stone. Must be some news. And I just added, placed one more order to get executed, 3 Bitcoin order right here at 28,860, because we're seeing some downward momentum and a very important support level is coming up that has a lot of volume added. I really want to try and long from it, depending on what I'm going to see in level 2. If it actually does go down and retest that level, it will be another entry for us today. are you taking me?
This is what? We're going into the desert.
Well, we're waiting for our order to be filled.
Wow, we're going into the desert, guys. Just be careful.
This is a real adventure. You gotta be kidding me. And you know what, guys? What this place is? Who have actually recognized it. This is the place where Hank was shot by this big group of people in the pickup trucks. It actually feels so weird to be right where one of the most famous scenes of Breaking Bad was filmed. And this, of all places, didn't change much. It's all the same 15 years later. How do you feel?
That's so amazing.
It's crazy, huh? Let's do a speed test right in the middle of the desert. There is no reception on our phones, nothing. It's gone. So, but the internet, there it is. There it is. Look at this speed, 88 megabytes per second using Starlink in the middle of this nowhere. That's the reason why I got this thing. Such a cool place, guys. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're notified when we make a new upload of the next episode. Make some noise down in the comments and also share this video. There is a share button down below here on YouTube. The views are still spectacular. I wanted to give you guys an update when it comes to our education sales. We've made $1,500 and today we've already done about $2,000. So not that very much because the first vlog just came out and at this point right now as I'm recording this, so not too many people joined, but we have in the last 24 hours about 7 people starting to join in and start changing their lives so they can actually travel and trade and do whatever they want as well. Perfect, this is exactly what I needed. 66 pit stop right at Route 66, which goes parallel to the highway that we are on right now. Let's go see if they have some decaf. I absolutely love these, you know, right out in the wild. You guys have decaf Americano? You guys have decaf? Decaf? Yeah. Oh, beautiful. And we also need some bumper stickers, look, so we collect them in every state that we go through. You can go for this one and this one. Okay, it's gonna be 3 stickers, please. Look at it, good to go. New Mexico, and some aliens. And we've been on the road for some time and nothing has changed. We're still waiting for the order to be filled over on Bitcoin. Guys, if you wanna see some backstage stuff, follow me on Instagram. The name is the same. We're posting a lot of really cool stuff that we actually start from and what we're doing and some backstage stuff. So if you really want to see inside of what we're doing on this journey, follow me on Instagram. Guys, I'm not gonna shave my head, so I'm growing my hair back until we come to Alaska, and so goes for my beard and also for his beard. Decaf, right? So we're gonna look like 2 bears, but this is the point, you know, not shaving, not doing, at least we're going to shower. We're showering for sure. I really hated one day pour too much coffee because then you can burn your lips.
Oh my god, it's like full.
It's like crazy. Like, why do you do this shit? Like, bueno. And there it is! We are officially in the state of Arizona. So we are about halfway to Page, which is actually on the border with the state of Utah. And it's suddenly forest again. What?
It was just desert, and now it's forest again. I don't understand. In Arizona? Oh yeah, there is a tiny bit of forestry right here. It's so strange. Look, Ilya got bored, so he took this thing off of the steering wheel because he said it's not original condition of the vehicle. Show us what you just showed me. Oh my god. Damn. Alright, he realized that this was a very bad idea, so he's now gonna attempt to put it back onto this syphilis of a steering wheel. Please, could you please not run us into one of these pine trees? Please?
I think no, it's very good.
Yeah, it's fine, it's beautiful. And about an hour later, finally we found ourselves another entry. We're taking a quick short that actually is not even based on a level. It's just based on my view. I mean, it kind of is off of a level. We have this major trend to the downside. We had some volume, some selling pressure on Binance, and this led me to believe just a quick trade right here, $134,000 short, $100 in profit already. But if it's gonna actually have some kind of an impulse, then I'm gonna keep it for longer. And guys, again, I'm not giving you all the most details of what I'm looking at, like how I'm reading the market for this. You need to become one of my students. So let's see how this plays out. But you have to call me Mr. Spot On down in the comments, because guys, I'm nailing this. Look at it. Like, I mean, how precise this entry is. Look how precise. Wow. That's why I love trading, guys. Trading is an incredible business and an incredible place to be, and it has changed my life, and it can do the same to yours. If you stay actually persistent, you get proper education, and you persevere, then you can actually achieve a lot. I know that the camera isn't really showing this beauty. This is absolutely stunning. Absolutely, I mean, your thoughts, your feelings right now.
I literally yeah, I have no words. It's
Trading Bitcoin just makes me so incredibly, you know, it feels so good to trade the best performing asset in the world. And I think that the Bitcoin price itself, long term, is gonna probably reach $1 million within the next few cycles. Very, very possible. And a lot of people saying, oh, it's $30,000. Some people said when it was at $300, oh, it's $300. You know, so how many people said this? I think it's the future. I think it's the most scarce asset in the world, the true definition of real proprietary rights, something we don't see in any other asset besides Bitcoin. Certainly it can have volatility up and down a little bit, yes. But the scam is the dollar. The Bitcoin is the future. Let's raise awareness for this together. Minus $7, $47. Go lower. Look, there is somebody's trailer in the middle of nowhere. This is unbelievable. People live out here. And there's also a small farm. And we are some crazy dudes with portable S-Class Bitcoin trading station for $1,400. Unbelievable. I love life. I love our planet Earth and the universe that created all of this. Big bang, no big bang, whatever. Where are you gonna use your jet skis, man? Trade, it's not performing very well. It's like whenever I enter into a Bitcoin trade,
it has just become stagnant. It just moves to the side. The entry was perfect. Anyway, I think it's about time for us to get out of this trade. And we are out. Short exit. And we've lost $253, which brings us down to 4,770 something. The previous trade we made 360 bucks. So this one we lost 250, so we're up 100 bucks. Damn. Okay, well, I mean, it's better than big loss, so it is basically a 0 day, but we still have 1 hour off the road, so maybe we'll find one more trade. And I know that I get always upset about these sometimes, like not emotionally very upset, but could have been better, and I really want to show you guys what is possible, and you know, you want the market to be on your side for that, but it is what it is. There is huge rain happening right over there on the right. And we actually passed it, so we are lucky this time. And even though driving in rain and lightning somehow is cool, you know, it feels great that you're in an adventure. Okie doke. It's a good thing we left this trade. Nothing. Not even for scalp trading. Not even for that. But I have a good plan for tomorrow. And now we are actually, guys, arriving at the Grand Canyon in Page, Arizona. You won't be able to see much. It's just another town. But we have a very important mission with Ilya that we need to conquer right now. We finally arrived. And Ilya has you're only creating damage. Like, what is this? Where did this thing go? What the hell's going on? What did you do with this?
I just took it.
Maybe you should stop, you know, buying yourself $20 fucking luggage. Maybe you get yourself a Samsonite.
That's Ducati.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, well, and we have another problem. The car is off. What is this noise?
I don't know.
What's going on
here?
I don't understand. Is the devil in it? Yeah, well. Ah, who cares? Let's go, just leave it, leave it. Small accident, and it's okay. Finally in the room. Finally, some appliances. And now we have an important mission. Laundry. We did 5,000 kilometers, more than 5,000, so halfway.
Yep.
High five. Hey. Isn't it crazy?
I can't believe it. Like 1 week ago, we were in New York.
A week ago we were. It's been 7 days. It's day number 7 of us actually being on the road. On the other thought, fuck the laundry. You gotta eat something first. El tapatío, taco muchacho, chica. Thank you very much.
Everything okay?
Yeah. Can I ask for some napkins, please?
Napkins, yes, sir.
I think we should have taken just one for both of us.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Just to compare.
Wow. Like, I mean, we don't get this size in Dubai. In Dubai, for the same price, you get a slap on the ass. That's about it. But here, you actually get to fucking eat for a week, you know? The music here is beautiful, though. But the food. Now, this is good. This was complicated. But damn, it was good. Almost finished the whole thing, yeah? You should have still taken a salad, you know?
No.
I'm sorry,
Wait, no. I know where. So we were getting gas, and we were thinking that this lady that was at the laundromat, she didn't want us to wash the clothes because supposedly in 1 hour the place is closing. But we said fuck off, and we're gonna be washing our
Well, we
socks.
didn't said fuck off.
No, we just said
I asked her how much time does it take to wash and dry clothes. She told us 25 minutes to wash and 20 to dry. So at that time it was 7 minutes past 9.
So anyway, yeah, it's enough time. And she said, no, you cannot do it. So we just went and started doing it. So now we have a feeling as to when we return, the doors are going to be closed and it's going to be dark. And all of our
underwear and socks are gonna be just locked in the local laundromat of Page, Arizona. Content, I suppose. We're gonna call the police. We're gonna...
Of course I will.
Sadly, there was no content. The lady did let us finish, even though she was looking like this. But great success. Our laundry has been done. Now time to crunch the numbers. Day number 7. We've taken out $1,000 out of the deposit for expenses in our deposit. We have 3,779 left. Yesterday's hotel 180, gas 70, breakfast 50, stickers and coffee 14, lunch 25, hotel 150. This is tonight's hotel. Dinner 65, gas 70, laundry 12. So in total, after taking out the 1,000 out of the deposit and also giving back 344 to Ilya, we have $20 left for tomorrow. In our deposit, we have 3,779. And in total, $109 in profit. And we've actually traveled 686 kilometers or about 429 miles, which is good. And 5,150 kilometers in total, or 3,200 miles in total. So it's more than halfway to Alaska. So we're still doing okay. We are above water and we're paying for our travel. So it is working. But what I wanted to show you guys is crazy profits. So I want to find a good trade and really go all in on it. I want to show you something crazy, a villa in LA, or like going to a casino in Vegas, or like something crazy. But so far, yeah, the market is not permitting it. But hopefully I have a plan for the next days. So stay tuned for that. Welcome to the fabulous Las Vegas!
The car itself is starting to show weakness.
It's degrading every day. What a crazy, amazing trade! What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas.
The next episode, guys, if it's available, you're gonna see it on the screen somewhere right here. And if it's not available, it's not up yet, so stay tuned. And thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Peace and love. Thomas Carlos. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.